Hello, welcome to my presentation on material management. This presentation is provided by QSpectra Pharma Consulting as a learning process. Today, let me speak about material management. Material management is broadly divided into three parts: receipt of materials, storage of materials, and release for consumption. We will talk about receipt of materials in this session. Receipt of materials is one of the very important aspects in our manufacturing life cycle. Hence, do it logically and follow the instructions and set procedures without fail. What is the flow for receipt of materials? So let us see the flow and understand how receipt of materials happens in our pharma industry. Arrival of materials to factory, security inspection, unloading of materials, warehouse pre-inspection, dedusting, weight verification, label and quarantine, and finally documentation. Security inspection. As and when the material is arrived at the factory, it undergoes security inspection. First, the security officer will enter the following details in the register at the security gate: invoice number, purchase number, vendor COA, and supplier details. After verifying the information about the arrival of the consignment, it is intimated to warehouse person. Before unloading the materials, ensure the following is done: unloading bay is clean, clean pallets are available, cleaning aids and vacuum cleaner is available and operational, air curtains works when main door of the material receiving area was opened, insecticutor's lamp is glowing in the material receiving area. Warehouse pre-inspection. A predetermined format pre-inspection checklist has to be followed during this inspection. This checklist covers: is the cleanliness of the vehicle is found satisfactory and any spillages observed in the vehicle. Check the manufacturer's name and supplier's name are matching in the approved vendor list. Number of containers or bags received matches as per purchase order or delivery challan. Vendor COA is available for all the materials. Check the manufacturer name on the COA versus label versus approved vendor list. Or all seals are broken or bags are damaged has to be verified. Any discrepancies to this above checklist should be informed to the quality assurance department and purchase departments. Unloading of materials. Is the cleanliness of the vehicle is found satisfactory? Any spillages observed in the vehicle? No chances of cross-contamination. Check if any other company materials are transported along with your materials. Check for any spillages or damages. Take safety precautions while handling of the materials. After unloading of materials, the next activity is dedusting materials. Ensure area and dedusting equipment is clean before usage. Each and every bag should be undergo dedusting process. After dedusting, clean the equipment and area and ensure that the details are entered in the dedusting register. Weight verification. This verification is done to check the weights, whether the exact quantities were received from the vendor as mentioned in the purchase order. Before checking the weights, ensure calibration is done. Daily balance verification shall be done before using the balance. Write down the procedure on how to perform weight verification for solids, liquids and gases. Enter the details in the balance log. Label and quarantine. Deface the vendor label. Affix the quarantine label to all the drums and bags. Unique identification number shall be provided. The last activity is nothing but documents. Documents should be followed during the receipt of materials. Pre-inspection checklists, purchase order, COA, an MSDS, delivery challans, etc. Dedusting record has to be completed. Weight verification records has to be updated. Quarantine labels has to be affixed. Material inward entries should be done. Bin cards or stock records should be updated. Request for QC for analysis has to be done. So finally, this is the flow for receipt of materials. Arrival of material to factory, security inspection, unloading of materials, warehouse inspection, dedusting, weight verification and label and quarantine and documentation completes the receipt of materials. Thank you very much for following the presentation. We look forward for more presentations. Thank you. Bye-bye.